In this video, we're going to be learning how to cut, sew, and even design this tote bag, and this is so simple to do. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. So to do this, I'm going to be using this fabric. This fabric is a bit thick. All right, you can actually vary with the fabric that you desire. So I'm going to be measuring out 13 inches, 26 by 13 inches. Okay, let me do this before you. For this side, okay, the length or the width of this bag is 26 inches. Then how wide it is about 13 inches. Just 26 divided by 2, I use 13 inches. Okay, so when it's unfold now, it's just like a square. That means there are 13 inches on each corner, on each side. Now this 13 inches, okay, this is, look at the side that I'm measuring now. I'm measuring the upper side. I'm going to come in by half inch, okay, at the edges. And this side, this thing I'm measuring now is the sewing allowance I'll be using. Okay, so I want to remove my sewing allowance for the both side. You can see that I folded this fabric into two, and what I'm measuring now, the side I'm measuring is the side that is open. Okay, so when I remove half inch at the both side, I'll be left with 12 inches. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 inches. I'm going to be dividing 6 inches by 2. So that means on each side I'll be marking 3 inches. I hope this is clear. And then on the other side, I will be marking 3 inches as well. Okay, this is where I will now put my straps or my handle, the hand of this bag. Okay, so this is how to get equal measurements on both sides. All right, I hope this is clear. I have 3 inches on both sides. I'll go ahead and notch it. All right, you can still mark yours if you don't want to notch. Now, after this, I'll go in by 1.5 inches. Okay, I'll be marking it, and then I'll go in by 1.5 inches on the other side. This will be where my strap will start. I want to mark it so that in case you don't want to put a zip, all you have to do is just to fold it in and place your strap there, okay, and sew it. But me, I'm working with a zip. I want mine to have a zip, but if you don't want yours to have a zip, just go ahead and put your straps. Now this is for people that want to use the same material to actually form a strap. Okay, you can just go ahead and do this, but me, I don't want to use the same material for a strap. All right, so if you want to do this, you can go ahead and then mark about 2 inches and fold your strap. But what I'll be using for this is the already made strap. Okay, so you can actually move in with whatever length of strap you want. Okay, you can actually vary with whatever length. If you want the length of the strap to be so long, do that. All right, if you want it not to be too long, do that. It depends on your preference. All right, so I'll just go ahead and cut out the length of my strap and then attach it to my bag. Okay, and that's what I'll be doing. But before then, I'm just going to pin my strap to my fabric and then go ahead and sew in my zipper before I run a thread and attach my straps. Okay, so don't forget that you have to add your zipper at this point. Now if you don't want to actually have a zipper, all you have to do now is just to fold in, okay, run your thread, and that's all when you have already stitched up the sides. But if you want a zipper, okay, you have to attach. You can see the way I'm attaching it. I'm facing the front of the zipper inside, towards the inside of the bag, okay, and then the back is outside. So I'll just quickly pin this up and then run a stitch on it so that it will be so clear. I want to show you how to pin the straps before attaching your zipper. Now look at my strap. I already burnt the mouth. Okay, I will now go ahead, and then that place I marked 1 inches, let me mark it again, or about 2 inches, 1 inches or about 2 inches, any one that you prefer. I'll be placing my strap there, and then I'll pin it. Okay, I'll make sure that I place it very well, so when I sew a zigzag stitch or a Z, something like that, I will show you when I'm done. I will still have space to attach my zipper perfectly. Okay, so the same 1.5 inches I used for the other side, I'll be using it for this side as well. Okay, now after doing this, securing my strap, I will now put my strap inside, inward. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and attach my zipper, as I will do this for the other side as well, just like I did for this side. So the essence of doing this is to ensure that the sides of the strap lap on each other. Okay, that one side is not shifted from the other side, that they are perfectly meeting each other. Now I'm just trying to show you the sign, the way you will sew on it, just with a Z sign, and that's it. So I'll just go ahead and pin this up before I stitch on my strap, so that I don't sew in excess where I should have left for my zipper. All right, you can see that I just pushed in the straps inside. Okay, so when you're stitching your zipper, please push in your straps, and this is how it looks. So this is it, this is the way it should look. Now you should go ahead and top stitch, okay, around this area, around the corners of the zipper, okay, the sides of the zipper. Please top stitch on it. Then when you're done top stitching, okay, don't forget to stitch on your straps. All right, then when you're done with that strap, we're going to be sewing up the sides. This bag is so simple to make. Now with that 1/2 inch we earlier marked, we will just be sewing all the way down from top to down. Okay, and that is practically all you'll be doing for this side. Now when you are done sewing it, you can take about 1/2 inch, all right, or 1 yard. Sorry, please, you will take about 1 inch or 1/2 inch, and then fold in and then stitch on it, so that it has a nice finishing. All right, it's very simple. So this is how it looks when you're done top stitching. All right, it's this simple. And then I'll go ahead and sew in the sides like I told you, and this is it. I've stitched in the sides. I'm trying to bring out all the sides, you know, and this is practically how your bag will look like. Now you can see that you can even put a laptop into the bag, or a lot of things. You can stuff this bag with a lot of things, but we'll be going into the designing. Okay, a lot of people use stickers for this, all right, but you can actually use stones, paper stones like this. So any one of your choice, any one that you prefer. Now if you're going to be using this, all you have to do is just to bring the, although this my stone is already overdue for you, so you can get better ones. All right, and then all you have to do is just to bring it out and place it on the fabric, or on the side of the bag that you want it to be. Okay, well, I would not advise that you place it before you finish it, finish the bag, is because you might do it and it will go one side. Okay, so but when you place it this way after sewing the bag, is easy. So all about it, all I did is just to steam my iron, or steam the stones on the bag, and that's practically what I did. And I just raised it up, so that I just removed the waterproof or nylon on top of it. Okay, and this is how it looks. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe now and turn on your notification bell. Thank you.